Hello students. Hello students, welcome. Students, this is Sujata Kamble coming with class 10 NCRT SSC Math with Sujata ji. Welcome students, welcome. And let us start the first hot question here. So students, the first hot question is front of you. So here the first hot question. See here, very easy question. That x plus y minus 8 divided by 2 is equal to x plus 2y minus 14 divided by 3 is equal to 3x minus y is equal to 4. Okay students, now here students, it is very easy question, but it is a type of the hot question. Okay students, because we have to know the proper method that solving these example students. After, if you know proper method, then you can easily solve this example. Okay student, so what is the proper method here students? So first proper method is that you take these two equations first and then these two equations second. Okay, and then from these two equations you get the first one equation students. Okay, and then here from these two ratios you get the second one equation. Okay, and that's first one equation and the second one equation you have to solve it, that by our proper method. Okay, that you require. Okay, so here first I write down x plus y minus 8 upon 2 is equal to the second ratio x plus 2y minus 14 divided by 3. Okay, I write down that the two equation first. Okay, these two ratios first, and then the second one that is taking the second ratio x plus 2y minus 14 upon 3 is equal to 3x minus y upon 4. Okay student, this way. So now from this ratio I try to get the first one equation. Okay, so here cross multiply. So 3 multiply x plus y minus 8 is equal to 2 multiply x plus 2y minus 14. This is the cross multiplication students. Then multiply this 3x plus 3y minus 24 is equal to 2x plus 4y minus 28. Okay students, so here 3x 3y minus 24 here. Okay, so now here then 3x minus 2x plus 3y minus 4y is equal to minus 28 plus 24. Then arranging the term in a proper side. Okay, then here student 3x minus 2x, that is the x, plus 3y minus 4y, that is minus 1y, and here 28 minus 24, that is the 4, and the biggest sign, that is the negative. Okay, so x minus y is equal to minus 4. So I call this equation as the first one equation. Okay students, I called it as this equation as a first one equation, and then come to the second, these two ratios students. Now here also same process carry out, that cross multiply here. So 4 multiply x plus 2y minus 14 is equal to 3 multiply 3x minus y. Then here 4x plus 8y minus 56 is equal to 9x minus 3y. Okay, so now arranging the term in a proper manner. So 4x minus 9x plus 8y plus 3y is equal to 56. So here 9 minus 4, that means here minus 5x, plus here 11y is equal to 56. So now here this is the second equation. I call it as the second one equation. Now here students, that by which method you have to solve these two equations, by which method you have to solve these two equations. Here students, that the substitution method students, that will be very easy method. Okay, that become very easy because x minus y is equal to minus 4. So that's why students, we can write here x is equal to y minus 4 students. Y minus 4. Okay, very easy way that we transfer the minus y here. So now here students, this equation I called it as third one equation. Okay student. So now here substitution method, that put this value in equation 2. So now here that the second equation is minus 5x plus 11y is equal to 56. So here students, that minus 5 multiply y minus 4 plus 11y is equal to 56. That means students, minus 5y plus 20 plus 11y is equal to 56. So that means students here 11 minus 5, that means 6y is equal to 56 minus 20. Okay. So here students, 6y is equal to 36. 6y is equal to 36. So y is equal to 36 upon 6. So y is equal to 6 6 are 36. So y is equal to 6 students. Okay. Now here put this value in equation 3. Okay student. So now here the equation 3 becomes, okay, so the third equation is x is equal to y minus 4. So x is equal to here 6 minus 4. So x is equal to 2. Okay students, x is equal to 2. So now here students, we have the two values, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 6. So now here our final answer, therefore our final answer will be that I write down here, therefore the solutions of the given equations are xy is equal to 2, 6. xy is equal to 2, 6. Okay student, such a way we can finding out this such a type of the equal ratio. Okay, so it is very easy. Now sure. Okay, so now here see the next one example. Okay students, see the next one example. So here next one example is student 3x minus 2y is equal to 5 upon 2. Second one equation, 1 upon 3x plus 3y is equal to minus 4 upon 3. Minus 4 upon 3. Okay students. So now here I first write down the first one equation 3x minus 2y is equal to 5 upon 2. Okay, and then I simplify it first and then call it as the first one equation. Then here is the denominator place. At the denominator place there is a 2. So I write here the instruction multiplying both the sides by 2. Okay, multiplying both the sides by 2. So 2 multiply 3x minus 2 multiply 2y is equal to 2 multiply 5 upon 2. So that means students here 6x minus 4y is equal to that 2 get cancelled. So that will be equal to 5. Okay student. So here this one is the first one equation in a simple form student. Then the next one equation is that student, see here I write down here 1 upon 3x plus 3y is equal to minus 4 upon 3. Okay students, so the denominator place, at the denominator place there is 3. So I multiply both the sides by 3. So I write instruction multiplying both the sides by 3. So therefore 3 multiply 1 upon 3x plus 3 multiply 3y is equal to 3 multiply minus 4 upon 3. So that means students here that 3 get cancelled. Here also 3 get cancelled and the remaining terms are x plus 9y is equal to minus 4. Okay students, and so this one is called as the second one equation. Okay students, now here students, which process, by which method would have to solve these two equations? So very easy question, very easy method. That means here is the x students. So here by substitution method, that will be very easy method. Okay, so here I write here that x is equal to minus 4 minus 9y. So here called it as this equation as a third one equation. Okay students, call it as the third one equation. Now here put this value. The next one step is that students, put this value here. Put this value in equation 1. Okay students, put this value in equation 1. Okay, then here students, then here, so the equation 1, I write down equation 1, 6x minus 4y is equal to 5. So now here 6 multiply minus 4 minus 9y minus 4y is equal to 5. So here minus 24 minus 54y minus 4y is equal to 5. Okay students, now here minus 24y and 4y, that means students minus 58y, which is equal to 5 plus 24. So here minus 58y is equal to 29. So here y is equal to 29 upon minus 58. So here y is equal to 1 upon minus 2. Okay student, so here I got the value of y as a minus 1 upon 2. Now next step, that is put this value in equation 3. in equation 3. Then we can get the value of x. So here x is equal to minus 4 minus 9y. So here x is equal to minus 4 minus 9 into minus 1 upon 2. So here x is equal to minus 4 plus 9 upon 2. That means students x is equal to minus 8 plus 9 upon 2. Okay. Then here x is equal to 1 upon 2. X is equal to 1 upon 2. Now here students we have the two values x and y here. Okay. So here our last thing is that we write down that the last step is therefore the solutions of the given equations are xy is equal to 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. Okay students, 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2. Okay students, so now here such a way we can calculate or we can find out the value of the given variable, okay, that are given in the example. So such a way we can solve the two examples students. Now there is a time to say bye. So here if you like our content, then you subscribe our channel. Okay students, if you like our content, then you should subscribe our channel. Okay, so now I stop here this